I'm doing a vlog on YouTube. I'm trying to get it done. These kids would not stop calling my phone. Especially this little motherfucking guy. And this nigga would just sit down and filter faces all day. Yeah, I gotta start over. Yes, guys. Oh, no. So good. Like I'm saying, this is the show where we station in Green Acres Mall where we fix phones for customer. This customer was pretty pleasant, and I really wouldn't want to like put her on the spot where I would have to put her on video and all that. So basically, I'm gonna just fix her phone. So we got the document signed and everything. We got to go ahead. So we're gonna go ahead and get the phone fixed. So this is basically how we get it done. A lot of techs out there might see this kind of repair and they might want to talk smack, but them niggas could stop with that because at the end of the day, we in the mall and we're doing repairs, we're doing mass repairs. So sometimes we can't always do what and how people do it in other shops. We just adjust ourselves to suit and to make our money. So basically we're trying to get it done like in 15 minutes the most. Shouldn't be wasting a lot of time. You can see she got the phone pretty beat up. It's kind of like in good condition, but probably got hit somewhere here. So I'm gonna just bring it to her attention when she comes back. So some customers, they will kind of like blame you for all that. So you want to be very careful. One sec. Okay, just to get stuff in order. So we're gonna start with the phone. So basically, me, I don't need a lot. I just pretty much try to get it done fast. It's an iPhone 7. It's not really a 7 Plus. Uh, Sometimes we're in the business of saving the LCD, but okay. So basically, I'm probably getting. Anyhow, guys, say hi to Johnny. I must involve him in the show. No, you gotta come around, Johnny, because we're doing a vlog, a repair vlogs on this.
What's up? It's Johnny Tsunami.
Yeah, this is Johnny's also.